To further facilitate, sir, yung manhunt operation, we have recommended to the Chief PNP the revocation of the firearm license of Mr. Atong Ang, which the Chief PNP approved. We have communicated already with these lawyers, and they were mandated to surrender these firearms sa Firearms Explosive Office, sir. There are 6 firearms na under the name of Mr. Atong Ang. Next. As part also of our way forward, although our recent monitoring, he is still in the country, but we have also requested, sir, with NCB Manila of the Interpol a red notice in case na makalabas ng bansa si Atong Ang through the back door or wherever. Other countries, sir, the members of Interpol may arrest him. Next. So, sir, these are our way forward. We are coordinating with the Bureau of Immigration for the whole departure order. Then, of course, sir, maybe we will be recommending to the Secretary of SIFG for inclusion ni Mr. Atong Ang sa National Most Wanted, sir, for monetary reward. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Kasama po si Atong siguro may tutuloy natin na